What are you? Are you not a pastor? Somebody that have a congregation where you talk to people concerning religion. Tell them to don't believe you and believe you. Then what are you? What are you? Are you not the GO, the founder of that church? Is it not church? Are you not a pastor? Are you not a reverend? Are you not ordained? Avum di name ordained. Avum di name ordained. Assistants. Even assistants. Ababa ordained. In a name of so with Oji, Una Kanzo, inside in a meaning of it. Am I the meaning of it? Then what are you talking about? Instead of you calling masses, calling people, let's raise money and build hospital. Ever gonna men buy assist or the can they assist for medical? Raise money and build school. Then we go school. Because some churches now are to school. Ndo we school or we just or garanya geba. Instead of you calling people, come on again, but poor milli can never have free water. Near people free education. He have any na he put us game per church. As he may pay that congregation, it an offering. No apota, you poor call one of them money here on your nana. I am your offering. I go and what they go contribute to. Because you put your own, I want to give where you could take the money. I'm not charity.
The bunda man I get my tea, Bulumbatado was in Catat. I said, boy, and I know who did the work, who did the why. Because I don't make quick, we say, I've come now, I pay for now, how I know. This year, this year, we year of judgment, is still learning. Because all the cody, Yamoto the cody, be one night work anwa, Adawago, Matthias, Macanini, and you can go on your patana, Ado Matthias, Aka, Matthias feel on your ponopoto, Bali on your get our one nose of Adawagi fam. The king will come you be Matthias, ya no you who's or dog, Adagwalia, for Jajabo police. Man, I wait for Okwa, sit down, we have fam on. I never tell the news, go say, I was in a red Macana, Okwa, you see any because the naked in the video one night, Wakakuno.
Aneze Ndi Igbo ndewonu ọmụka na-akpọ Maazị Samuel Mgborurukwe ezigbote nwa afọ Igbo amụsiri ike ibido n'isi n'eruo ma anyị ga-afụ na nwa afọ Igbo na-asụkwu Igbo abụrụkwa m blọga abụrụkwa m ndị na Facebook achọ ego ma ndị chọrọ ịbụ celebrity abụrụkwa m celebrity si eji wee mụọ m mgbe nọ n'afọ nne m ka njiburu celebrity ihe njakọwa ya awụ na abụkwa nwoke a na-asa nwoke awụrụ nwoke ogwu a na-ekwu ndị ghọtara ogwu a na-ekwu mana mma akpa afa ihe mbụ nwoke abụrụkwa nwaanyị maka enwere nwoke nwaanyị enwere nwoke nwaanyị ihe mbụ nwoke mụ na gị kwee n'aka ị ga-ama na nwoke ibe gị kwere gị n'aka. I want a freedom of speech, and I want my right to defend my belief. I want full right as a citizen of Nigeria to defend my belief. For majority of people now got me provided I'm not insulting anybody. If you go to my speech, I've not insulted anybody, but rather all people none of my comment section I may insult because I believe in Jesus Christ. Will you force me to believe where you believe? That the G.O. Matthias Ezeaku, will you force somebody? No, you will not get believe, every believe. In our cause, many people. In our cause, Ebukobi, why you are a chair? If no, but believe in Jesus Christ. Many things in the Bunon. If they not cause them money, in our condemn money. Now, oh, you don't believe in Christianity, not useless. No, you don't condemn Mutinibu, no, you cause people, you talk to people anyhow. Would you know them? If on air, you begin to bluster people because they didn't believe where you believe. Is it a must that somebody can believe, every believe? Why don't you believe in your own? Let me believe in my own. And we go pastor to take when he's believe in Jesus Christ. Let me tell you something. Jesus Christ, if you don't know it, they are one. If in our cause, Jesus Christ, you are cursing God. It's like Jesus Christ will criminal. Oh, criminal. And people are clapping for you, telling me to go and borrow sense. Business in the business when I'm off, man. Na mmadụ na-etikasị onwe n'ụwa onye ọ na-abịara afịa n'ime ụwa onye zụcha na ndị ọzọ continue sụwakwa elili ifre anyị na-agbaru ofu chukwu ka anyị na-efe mmadụ na-etikasị onwe ya ị na-condemn church. You totally condemn church and you wait and go and open church. That's the imepe ọbụrụ church. Isi na aka ekwesịrị imepecha na ewere ego eji emepecha church ewere mepe company. Ije mepe your own church. Adi bụọla nke mepere emepe. Ije mepe your own church. Adi bụọ na church ndị mepere emepe. Why don't you go and open company and school and other things? And I'm not forcing you to believe in Jesus Christ. And I can't force you to believe in Jesus Christ. And you cannot force me. And I know your comment in now a time shall come where you use a law where the Christians say in the church. All if that's in nature and for that now Matthias Ezeaku, I am going to give you a date, but in the street. Let me preach the gospel of Jesus Christ. Then when the police in the army and come and stop it. Let me see. Even some Christians when mistake when mother would born again like this. In a good opportunity. That one I draw a Bible is a lie. Happy about Signama go rap a good tone about Kamawagora. The same Bible as Wagi in the days of the John the Baptist, the kingdom of God suffered violence. And it's only violence people will take it by force. No, women want him Maggie. Imam or at least. Yes, it doesn't make me a sinner. I'm telling you the truth. That way, I Maya or watching Getty, Gabolo, where Manady might be Imam Yaba, I'm a Panga Yaba. I don't see where I have boy and essay, Pessa and essay. Our police, I got, our court, I got. A buena somewhere not to Amaya fan of warfare. I got one more one. You don't come out in social media and start talking to people in here. People better my comment section now commenting. Here and I don't care. You don't come out and force people to believe where you believe. Actually believe in our forefathers. Actually believe in them when I'm not against it. You can believe where you believe and allow people to believe where they believe. Iye darage wi na esi osioma. Iye darage wi ina esi osioma. With your norma. Obuli na esi osioma. Ina soto siono na gonde mmadu iyi. Na onde mmadu iyi. Ina gonde mmadu iyi. Na we like it. People are fools. People are this. People are that. Kezo you can believe no osioma hi na ezi. Isa ya mena ya. That is ya mena ki na eme. Isa ya gazina church. I believe in the pastors. Na how window and how criminal. I said, okay, no problem. I am going to you. He just said, Jemepe church. Where the GO, where junior pastor, where choristers, when the usher, when the music department, when the members. In a race, you go instrument, other than your video, I'm with it. What are you talking about? People are saying that, okay, I want to ask this question. I want to ask this question. Who in the Bible, evil book? Or for one place in the Bible, from Genesis to Revelation. Every Bible say, now Jesus Christ is say, Saruna company, still was for church. Saruna school, still was for church. Saruna esbotiro, seti inoku, se menaka anybody can Dubai, no church kagaru. Mother Bogodimu, Bible Puriano. And when some people were evil people, they were evil. I go to Hansobu. They are lazy. How many have you joined Hame? How much would you make pof bacha? See no chupu or ha. What the Bible no deceive the money. No bunde mother why you now singing at Jesus say, mother 100, come and bring 50,000. And God will bless you. Mother 1 million, come and bring 10,000. God will bless you. I beg you no baha. Defrauding people. Only around you get sent there to hospital. Where they go, and they know you may assist. He said, "I praying and fasting." Somebody that is hungry, he can hear go jelly. He said, "I praying and fasting." Every time you know go benye Thanksgiving, he get kendi widows. Ndo wenye no na church. Ibru na beg generally so sogun. Atu check you go moto. Ndi turega ananya motorcycle. It's not Jesus gwara. Ebega Jesus no gwa pastor nke that thing. Ebega Bible no poor this kind of attitude. People put out there create one stupid doctrine in their church. When another person dem man go na sing na chukwu ukwu. When they chukwu ukwu. Give us that sing na chukwu ukwu. Why be chukwu no gwe ke nyam voice note. Ebe chukwu ukwu dey ka chome igia. That voice note chukwu no gwa that thing. Nyam that voice note can get. People just put out like this. They show one her pastor, show one her reverend, show one her prophetess, show one her reverend father, reverend sister. Now, Puari, now, Chonya Gatabu, Oya Gatakapia. If that's not Bible, no Bible, no Chubu, about Chuno, where that's the Chuboro Hoku, Yabon Punoku. If I Chuboro, Mother Hawagi, I want to Chuna Oku, if you Chuboro, Mother Hawagi. If you see a real pastor, Abraham, a real pastor. Matthias Ezeaku WGO. Give one put out now. Who's the pastor? What are you? Are you not a pastor? Somebody that have a congregation where you talk to people concerning religion. Tell them to don't believe and believe here. Then what are you? What are you? Are you not a WGO, the founder of that church? Is it not church? Are you not a pastor? Are you not a reverend? Are you not ordained? Have them did ordained. Afum di name ordain assistance. He want assistance. Ababa bali ordain. Ina nyam di mo riri nso with oji. Uno na aka nso. Nso yi na ke the meaning of it. Ima the meaning of it. Then what are you talking about? Kemburo mitago. Instead of you calling masses, calling people, let's raise money and build hospital. Ebegada men buy assist or the can assist for medical. Raise money and build school. Then we got school. Because some churches now are school. Ndo we school or just on dog or granyana geba. Instead of you calling people, come on again, but poor milli can never now free water. Near people free education. He have to say any that he purchase come pay church. As he may pay that congregation, it an offering. No apota, you poor call one of them money here on your nana. I am your offering. I go and what they go contribute to. Because you put your and when I came where he could take the money. Amount of charity. Now Hannah and your offering. And I go special number. And I am a poop. And as you see, is it not church? Then what can people not come? Good and fine. Only you don't believe in our forefathers. Fine. More believe in Jesus Christ. It's my belief. It's what I want to believe. Why are you disturbing your life? And why are you disturbing people? Matthias Ezeaku, I will support you. All these fake pastors, all these fake reverend, all these fake prophet and prophetess. Ndana putoda. When you do me, I got say Ghana hospital. Maybe now, do you man I got have or so you be a church by my prayer and fasting. If you somebody like this, I will support you to deal with that person. And when I did, I can see you come work or and pastor him and ego he didn't want to go. He got sponsor my would they go here to sewing machine? Mobile when the gamo, Macaraka wasn't in Amor, Ashawagana Bazi, Yahoo Gana Rusi. The church has not sponsored her. And when that has sponsored those children, say about prayer and fasting. Nega one miracle alert. This is the kind of people you will bring. We will fight those churches. Abro church need a defraud in them money. Abro pastor need a defraud in them money. enwe chọọchị wụ evil. Enwe chọọchị wụ evil. Enwe chọọchị nwere kwesịrị na-etinye isi etinye. Ịpụta otu a na-ekwu maka ndị ahụ. Yes. Ịmana n'eziokwu na ihe na-ekwu eziokwu. Ka gị zapụtara condemn Christianity totally. Na onye na believe in Christian, na onye awụ onye arụ, na onye agha ha ezigbo, na onye agha ha fie ọma na ndụ ya. Why are you saying so? So some of them don't believe in Christianity. Ha have fie ọma. Amana na some of many countries who go fuchu ga na efe. Come not depending na their own language. I want to wear chukwu okike abịama. Ofo na kpọ nke ha Allah. Ofo na kpọ nke ha God. Ofo na kpọ nke ha Hindus. And which are many different kinds of language. All this when FF your forefathers. But when they FF their forefathers, no bro nke ha. Na go bro when they go chukwu dị ndụ. Yes, you can't force anybody. You put on social media. See people are putting on me. Oh, you can't go. I drop easy. I drop easy. I drop soft. So see you can't go. You put on something now. You hear me to my canal. You put on some phone. You hear me to my canal. I'm going to go see. I'm going to go see. I'm going to go see. Okay, that's what you do. Oh, see you can't go. You want to go me. I didn't reply. You check all my comment. When you reply, you got them. Mana kiga eme mpụta n'ụzọ na-emetụ maka na ahụ. Onye ọ na-nwere goji biri. Abụrụ m a blogger. Ihe na-agwa gị wụ na you don't force people to believe where you believe. Thank you.
Eji m n'aka na na-enecha anya video biko nyere anyị aka gbasa ozi, nyere anyị aka make sure na ozi ya lụrụ onye ọbụla anya, lụrụ onye ọbụla anya, lụrụ onye ọbụla ntị, maka na okwu atụpụghị ọgọdọ gbara ọtọ ka esi adọ Matthias kịta. Ihe na ya emegbu ya. Akara ndị m ihe ọma apụtago dọwa ya vam ọkwa ka unu na-afụ, maka na ikwugide filo na ọsọ gị ma ihe ịma ịmakwa na ebe onye nke onye ọzọ kwụsịrị ka nke onye ọzọ na-ebido. Igbo bụ Igbo ka nwere mbọsị ọzọ biko.